Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Epic Games Launcher error code. This error is seen as a result of a problem with the application cache. Also, the problem with SSL Security can cause you to encounter various error codes like this. Of course, you may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also because of many other problems. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Problems with the Epic Games web cache can cause you to encounter various error codes like these. Therefore, we can clear the Epic Games web cache so that it is reconfigured. Open the Start search screen by typing run. Then type the file directory I showed in the video and press enter. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder in the Open folder. Open the saved folder on the screen that opens. If Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, close it with the help of Task Manager. Then delete the folder named Webcake. After the process is complete, you can run the Epic Games Launcher application and check if the issue persists. We can fix this problem by disabling the SSL security of the program. Open the Search Start screen by typing run. After this process, paste the file path in the article on the search screen and press enter. Open the engine.ini file in the opened folder with Notepad. The file we open will be empty. Paste the line of code we left in the article into the empty file and save it. If Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, close it with the help of Task Manager and run it again to check if the problem persists. Epic Games Launcher application not working with administrator rights may cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this, first by closing the Epic Games Launcher application with the help of a Task Manager, run Epic Games Launcher as administrator and check if the issue persists. Failure to read your Epic Games account may cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this, log out of your Epic Games Launcher account and log in again and check if the problem persists. We can avoid connection request problems by using the default Google DNS Server. Type Control Panel in the Start search screen and open it. Click on the Network and Internet category title, then click on the Network and Sharing Center heading. Then define the DNS address by following the steps I showed in the video. After this process, type CMD in the Start search screen and run it as an administrator. Paste the codes in the article in the command prompt window that opens and press enter. After the process is complete, you can restart the computer and check if the problem persists. If neither of these suggestions is your solution, you may need to delete and reinstall the app. This action may result in the removal of games downloaded and installed from Epic Games. In the Start search screen, type Add or Remove Programs and open it. Type Epic Games Launcher in the search screen and click the Uninstall button. After the uninstallation is complete, go to the Epic Games website and download the installation wizard and start the installation process to check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Epic Games Launcher error code. If the problem persists, you can comment.